pastor, purpose coach, and I do a lot of work here in the city of LA around civic engagement, community development work. And I use this platform to encourage those who have gone through a major loss of any kind to know that you can recover, restore, rebuild, and get back out there and win again. That you, whatever loss you've gone through in your life, you can go through a major loss, recover, restore, rebuild, and get back out there and win again. I also offer grief support to mothers of murdered children. And so, as a mom who lost a child to um, gun violence, part of why this platform was created, in that in my journey, and I'm still in the journey, I haven't finished it, I'm not going to finish it, it's lifelong. Um, I'm learning things that are helping me. I've learned things, I'm learning things that are helping me to continue to live and win, right? And so this platform is to share with you as I'm on my journey the things that I've learned, the things I've experienced, the things that I know for sure, and even some of my questions and what God is doing in this process. So um and releasing all attachments in the last year or so has been part of this journey because there's been a rebirthing. And I would say the rebirthing of me began, when my son was killed, and just even as I sat with his body in the trauma unit, um, when they pronounced his uh, TOD, time of death, I felt even in that moment spiritually that a birthing was happening. Somebody knew.